Good day. My name is Aguda. I'm here to present the ideology video of GIM, how it works, rules and benefits. The modern world is bad. The present world is not encouraging. The world where money is given priority instead of people. The world where common man on the street cannot afford the 3 meals per day. The world where bankers owns everything. The world where bankers are living large and those that are really working for the money are suffering. The world where poverty has become the order of the day. The world where the rich continue richer and the poor continue poorer. But now, the GIM has come to eradicate and fight this unfair financial system. What is GIM? GIM is an acronym of Global Integrated Mavro. This is a community of positive-minded people. The Global Integrated Mavro based its foundation on the ideology of MMM, which is to fight and to eradicate unfair financial system and create fair financial capabilities for everybody living in the world. GIM is designed to actualize the dream of Serge Mavrodi, and this community of GIM is built on the blueprint of his tenets. I want to tell you that GIM has taken its time to analyze the shortcoming of MMM and other faith community, and has put in place different preventive measure to curb most of these problems. Goals of GIM. The point is not about the definition or title, but GIM is a voluntary informal association which unites millions of people around the world, from Africa, Asia, America, and so on, to fight against the financial slavery and to rebel completely against the rich getting richer and poor getting poorer. Now, how GIM works. GIM is not a business. GIM is not an investment. GIM is a community where people donate or assist one another selflessly on the principle of a participant need help and another participant provides such help voluntarily. Now, GIM is a kind of common storage where people keep their money and then take it when needed. GIM makes people to have confidence in tomorrow. GIM gives the feelings of partnership, that you are not alone in the time of difficulty and that you will never be abandoned, but you will rather be helped in time of needs. How GIM works technically? Well, if as a participant immediately you join GIM, you declare your willingness to assist someone, which means you want to provide help. Then you log into your personal office after registration. Then you click on the button of provide help. After which your account, immediately you click on provide help and you indicate the amount that you want to use to assist someone. Then your account is rewarded with amount in Mavro. Then after that, when another participant that needs your help confirm the receipt of the money from you. That is, in this case, you must have provided help for a particular person that needs the help. Then your PH request in your personal office will turn to the status of confirmed. And I want to tell you that immediately you declare your willingness to assist someone, then your money starts growing at that particular time at the monthly rate of 30%. And I want to tell you that growth stops at exactly 1 month of Mavro 30%. That is, if you PH on 1st of a particular month, your money starts growing at the rate of 30% from that moment, and it will grow for 30 days, a month, at the rate of 30%. When it gets to that 30 days, your money stops growing immediately. Then the amount increases from day one, from the moment that you declare your willingness to provide help. Why Global Integrated Mavro? The name Global Integrated Mavro was intentionally picked to reflect the purpose of this community. GIM reiterates the fact that the platform is not centered on one country, but a global social and financial network. That is, GIM can be found in almost every country in the world. GIM connects different people around the world. And I want to tell you that this integrated is a term that denotes the features that are incorporated into one piece. The word integrated, we have many features in this word integrated, which includes 1, social interactions among participants. 2, magnanimity. 3, unity in diversity. And 4, fair financial system for all. What are the benefits of GIM? 1, we have 30% growth. That is, as a participant, immediately you declare willingness to assist someone with a particular amount. It means you gain 30% growth. You have 30% of your principal amount donated to another participant at the end of 30 days. 2, we have 20% referral bonus. In GIM community, if you refer someone, it means you get 20% of the amount donated by the person you referred at the end of every month. Now, we have another one as the benefit, which is benefit 3, that is refund of old Mavro. You know, during the registration, when you are registering as a new participant, participants are required to fill in their old Mavro. If you have Mavro in 2016 or 2017, then you are to indicate the amount that you have in that 2016 and 2017 defunct MMM. And I want to tell you that 10% of this, and I want to tell you that 10% of the money donated in GIM will be defrosted from your old Mavro. We have another benefit, which is the commitment policy. This is one of the important benefits of GIM, because it guarantees, this commitment policy guarantees sustainability. It makes the GIM work for as long as possible. That is, if you want to GH bonus, you must PH 50% of the amount that you want to GH. Let's assume you want to GH 10,000 bonus, then it means you must PH the commitment of 5,000 after the PH is come. So if you PH, if you want to GH 10,000 bonus, then it means you must recommit the amount of 5,000, which is 50% of that 10,000. Then after the recommitment is matched with another participant and you paid and you get confirmed, then you can now GH that 10,000, which is 100% of your bonus. Now we also have what we call guidance bonus. In GIM, guidance or any participant can create structure. That is, you are a guider, it is possible to have the first level guider, the second level guider, and the third level guider. And for the first level guider, if a guider, your direct downlines, that is first level guider, you get 5% from the donation of your downlines If you are a second level guider, you get 4% bonus from all your downlines. If you are third level guiders, then you get 3%. Then we also have another benefit, which is registration bonus. We have registration bonus from the range of 20 USD to 100 USD. Depending on the amount that you donate for the first time. I mean your first PH. We also have another one, which is bonus for the video and testimonial. If you get help in GIM, it is necessary to share the testimony for the world to see what GIM has done for you. In this case, you make video. If you make video, or if you attach video to your letter of happiness to share your testimony with others around the world, other people in the world, then you get 10%. You get 10% of your PH. If you PH of 10,000, then at the end of 30 days you GH your 10,000 and your 30% growth. Then if you now write letter of happiness and you show your face, you attach video to that letter of happiness, then you get 10% of that your PH, which is 10,000. If you PH 10,000, then you get 10% of that 10,000, which is what? Which is 1,000. That is 10% as your bonus for video or in the testimonial. Additional feature of GIM includes, as I've said earlier on, integration of old Mavro. You'll be able to get to get part or most of your old Mavro. Then we also have another additional features, which is integration of different fiat currency in one platform. That is, if you PH in Naira, you can GH in USD, Bitcoin, and so on and so forth. Then we also have integration of Bitcoin. We also have integration of Bitcoin, Ethereum at the start, and other 5 cryptocurrencies after 1 year. You can see here that GIM is designed to last for as long as possible. We have some features that will be embedded in the scheme or in the community after 1 year in operation. But now you can PH in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Naira, and so on and so forth. Then we also have another additional feature, which is integration of people in diverse nationality and cultures. We have many people in respect of nationality, in respect of culture, belief, religious, and so on and so forth. Then another feature is introduction of GIM coin after 18 months of operations. You know, as I said earlier on, I said GIM is designed to last for as long as possible, and we have planned, GIM has planned for each and every one of the participants that after 18 months of being in existence, then GIM will introduce GIM coin. That is, you can PH in GIM coin, you GH in GIM coin, which will make everybody to be happy and which will take everybody out of financial slavery in the whole world. With this ideology, with this rule, with these benefits and advantages of GIM, my people out there, what are you waiting for? Stand up today and join Global Integrated Mavro Community so that you can come out of financial slavery. Long live GIM. Together, we can integrate the world for good and for better. Thanks. Once again, my name is Aguda Olofisayo. Thanks so much. Bye.